Hello guys, back in another video. Today, I'm doing a prank video today. If you've seen from the video, from the title of the video, it says Honk prank. If you guys don't know what that is, I'm going to be posting this behind my uncle's car. So tomorrow we're going to go bowling. So I'm going to be pretending I'm gonna pretend I'm filming a vlog and going there, and I'm gonna film an outro, and I'm gonna tell you the whole plan tomorrow. So yeah, the whole plan is gonna be, it's all planned out. I think I should tell you right now. I'll tell you right now. The plan is to go, I'm gonna get in the car with him, he's gonna go in, and then my dad's gonna be holding this, because look behind it, it says big garage sale. So my dad's gonna be holding two of these. One of them is going to be this one, and the other one's going to say garage sale, because there's a bunch of these. He's going to go behind it, then he's going to go put tape on it, put it on the back, when pretend I'm doing the intro, I'm doing a fake intro with him to distract him, and then my dad's going to paste it, and then he's going to go around, and then he's going to ask, my uncle's going to ask my dad, what are you doing? And then he said, oh, I'm just posting up, I'm just finishing up the garage sale signs, because my grandma wants to do a garage sale. And he's going to say that, and my uncle's going to be, okay. And then we're going to go like that, it's in the back, we're going to start driving, and then bam. Good. And then we're going to start driving, bunch of honks. So, let's go right into the fake intro, and all this planned out, and then let's see his reaction. I'm gonna have a GoPro in the what's called dash, and then I'm gonna have my camera that I'm filming right here, and I'm gonna have it behind because his wife is gonna be sitting in front. So I'm gonna have this in the back, and we're gonna catch his reaction. So let's go. See you tomorrow, for we can post this on his car. So let's go post it. Okay, it's the next day. Oh, it's bad lighting. It's the next day. My uncle is coming. First, he's gonna take my grandma somewhere. Then he's gonna come back, and then I'm gonna post this into his car. So I have all the tape ready. It's gonna be risky, because there's a driving. If he parks in what's called where the driveway, I can put it in the back easily without him knowing when he gets in the car. But if he goes backwards and he uses the camera in the car to go backwards, and he's gonna show nothing. It's gonna be all pitch black. That's gonna be the bad part. If he does that and he's gonna be what? He's gonna go around to the back and he's gonna see it. And if he parks like in the side, you can easily see, because he has to go around to his. See, if that happens, he's gonna go around. And I'm gonna just say I forgot my SD card for my GoPro. Go get it inside. Grab this. Grab both. I have two of these, but now one of them says big garage sale. Go back and then put it on. I should already set this in the beginning. Go put it on. Yeah, hopefully it works. So hopefully 1 like equals me doing this. So leave a like, subscribe, and I'll do this. Hopefully it doesn't figure it out, or else this video is not posting. So if this video is on and you're watching it right now, that means it works. So let's go. I'll get back to you guys when he gets here. So yeah. Hello guys, back in another video, and today I'm gonna be putting this in the car because we're gonna go to a bowling place, and I'm gonna film a time lapse.
Wait, this is what?
Yeah, put it in. I'm doing the animal.
Is this recording?
Yep. You would totally see that. You would totally see.
Just stick it like there. Okay, let's go.
So I stuck it in. I'll go get more tape, just in case it falls. Okay, in it.
Only produces to the top 45 of 2019, but all year long, the weekend countdown. Without her, the wheels would fall off this thing. You can also check her out on the radio, late nights during the weekend for 10 Pacific, 1 a.m. Eastern time. Right here.
I went around the back. Can you check it?
it wasn't
Of
honking.
course, throughout the holiday
heck?
season, or you
You
can
were
stop
honking?
in anytime.
Maybe because the trunk is open.
So check, it wasn't open. That's weird. Right when you said that, someone started honking.
I don't know if you're not gonna run that or just because electric green.
Maybe you're a bad driver, Richard.
Huh?
Really?
They said you're a bad driver.
You're a bad driver, Max.
Then they said.
Oh, no, 1,000.
1,000 views, but not 1,000 subscribers.
What's this guy? Did he honk again?
Did he?
Did he? They're honking again. Pretty guy.
Yeah.
He's the guy in the Jedi. See if it's unlocked.
Someone honk? Did you hear that?
Yeah, they're honking at you.
Turn down?
Why are people honking?
Why
Maybe
are
we
you?
should check the trunk. Maybe it is popped open. Or I don't know how to drive.
Yeah.
Like Max and
Or maybe something's blocking, you know?
Huh?
Maybe something's like you have something, I don't know. What the heck?
Another guy.
There's that guy right there. Oh, what the heck?
Everywhere, there's a lot of people honking. That's probably the trunk is open. Or something's hanging out.
Or that.
Mm-hmm. This guy. Oh,
There it is.
another honk.
Are these going from behind us?
What the heck?
Max, what did you do?
Oh my god. Why is he honking? Why is she smiling?
What?
Something's hanging out the trunk.
Yeah.
Is Max hanging out the trunk?
No.
Oh, he's here. Oh, you're there.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, like, why is she pointing at you? Like the car?
From there?
Yeah, I think so. Why are you driving slow now? Oh, what the heck? What the heck?
There it is. There it is.
Why are they honking?
I don't know, why are they honking?
Look crazy.
Why
They
is...
were
That guy kept staring at me too.
Yeah, they're
They're
smiling.
They laughing at
Oh, go. Don't go yet. There's a sheriff right there. There's a cop right there, imagine.
Mhm.
They could pull us over, you know?
Yep.
Oh, another honk. Oh my god.
Okay, people can chill.
Oh my god.
Why are people honking?
Oh my god, I don't know. I think you're bad at driving.
What is going on?
There's this car right here. The car right there.
Why did he honk?
Oh no.
I don't understand why people keep honking.
I don't know. Oh my god. People are
He was
looking.
laughing.
Oh my god. Why are people laughing and looking at us?
Maybe I got something stuck in the trunk.
Oh no. Maybe you got something on the roof.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
That is scary.
Oh my god. Oh, someone was taking video.
Oh my gosh, it's the police.
Really? Oh, please don't pull us over. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is the police following us? No, I don't see it. Oh my god. Was that same person, like the one that like kept honking? I saw that their phone, she was filming.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on? Is something stuck in the trunk or what?
Oh no.
They didn't even tell me.
Oh my god. Why did he honk? Oh.
The heck?
Oh.
Should I like pull over? I'm gonna pull over. Maybe there's something stuck in the car.
That's a lot of honking, bro.
What? He didn't say nothing. He doesn't even say like what's wrong.
Why do you have a straight? Oh my god.
Oh, my gosh, what the heck is going on?
Yeah, I think they're honking because
I'm worried now. Maybe I gotta pull over.
you stick out your hand and go, what?
What?
Oh my god, so funny.
They were just laughing, but they don't even tell me like what's wrong.
I don't know. I don't know what's wrong. Like honestly, like what the heck?
Should I stop and check or what?
I think so.
I
Yeah.
don't even feel like the tire's flat or nothing.
Oh my gosh, I think you had something on your roof.
Should I pull over?
Oh no.
Check. Should I check?
Sure. Who honked again?
Huh?
Someone honked again.
Someone still honking? What? What the heck? You guys did that?
Yes.
You guys are crazy. Well, then let me leave my glasses on.
Okay, so he found out, but we're gonna keep it on and see how many honks we can have. So there's gonna be a count right here, and yeah, so we're gonna have a count of how many honks that can be. Okay, so yeah. Oh, let's go.
I'll put my glasses on.
Heard one honk's like, what's happening? And then they see our car. Oh. And they looked at us. Oh my god. That's three. That's four. That's four. I heard four. That's a lot.
It's the same car.
Yeah, it's all the same car. Oh, I heard honk.
One honk.
One, that's five. Another honk.
Okay, that's not for us.
Huh?
Okay, that's not for us.
Yeah, it was.
Sure.
They're all for us. Another honk.
6.
See, we're in the green light, I told you.
What the heck? Oh, another honk.